The Oppo Find N5 and the Oppo Watch X2 is confirmed to launch globally on February 20th. The brand is expected to announce the Find X8 Ultra and the Find X8 Mini. DCS suggests that Oppo plans to directly compete with Apple by featuring completely flat displays with ultra-thin bezels on its upcoming camera-focused flagships, likely the Oppo Find X9 series. The Find X9 series will include 4 models: the Find X9, Find X9 Pro, Find X9 Plus, and Find X9 Ultra. The Find X9 having the smallest screen in the lineup. The leak mentions that the Find X9 series will feature 6.8-inch OLED panels, with the standard model possibly supporting a 1.5K resolution, while the Ultra Edition could offer a 2K resolution. Both models are expected to include an 8T LTPO panel with iCare technology and a high-brightness DC dimming feature. The first wave of flagship phones expected to launch by the end of this year in China, equipped with the Dimensity 9500 and Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipsets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.